Okay, I wasn't even gonna vlog today, but I'm at this photo shoot and I have to show you this. Alright, so you have a hallway behind me and then you come into this apartment. It looks regular so far, but if you come in, what is this for? Okay, it's just a closet, but check this out. That's freaking crazy. This is like a whole observatory by itself. Whoa, look at this side. I have always been making fun of this building or just kind of talking crap about it, but now that I'm here, it's actually freaking incredible. Like, this view is jaw-dropping. I'm not even kidding. Holy crap. Before I get too carried away, I'm gonna finish my photo shoot first and then I'll take you for a tour. Alright, finished with the photo shoot and now let me show you the apartment. As you come in, there's a little hallway, you have a bathroom on the left. Everything here is super high quality. They've done a pretty amazing job with the tile work. I really like these green tiles, but they could obviously do a little better job with, I guess this is not too bad. But it's okay, it's okay. Maybe I'm just so wowed by the view already. Huge closet here. And now across from this bathroom, we have a bedroom. And you already get a sneak peek of the view here. Before that, there's a huge walk-in closet. And check out this view from the bedroom. Imagine waking up to this. You know, I go to a lot of these houses, fancy apartments, and this one really wowed me. Also, this building is kind of infamous because it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb in between two bridges. It doesn't really fit the neighborhood, I would say, but wow, I guess anything built by the water, you shouldn't be surprised of how nice it is. Washer dryer. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the $1 million view. Bro, look at this. This is freaking insane. I know this is the second time around, but this is still crazy. It's like, why do you even have to pay for tickets to the edge, to the summit, to One World Trade, to whatever? You have pretty much the whole view of Manhattan right here. This building is actually pretty incredible because on this side, you get the view of Brooklyn, Queens, the water. You can't get out of the water. And the other side, you might think it's bad, but it's actually a nice view of the other parts of Manhattan. So yeah, I guess they did think it through. Kitchen. I guess high quality stuff. Built-in fridge. Ooh, this is nice. Check this out. Unpopular opinion, but honestly I feel like the kitchen, the quality could be a little better. I'll take it for a heartbeat myself, but I feel like it's rental grade. It just doesn't go as well as I would expect for this view. But it's got everything that you need, still quality stuff. Alright, so off the kitchen living, you have another bedroom. This one actually has its own personal bathroom. So this is a pretty big size bedroom right here with its own closet. And here you have a more narrow view. Not as nice of a view as the other two rooms, but it's still pretty good. Alright, so now we're gonna check out this last bathroom here. Pretty similar to the first one. The color scheme is a little different. This bathroom is actually nicer than the other one, I gotta say. Yeah, I definitely like this bathroom more. Everything just feels more expensive. But yeah, it wowed so much that I was like, oh, I have to show you guys. So here you go. Maybe you'll check out some amenities too. All right, one more time before I go. Bam. I could honestly just watch that thing go back and forth all day. There's more of them. Wow. I should go before I convince myself to stay for the sunset. Alright, just gonna sneak in a quick peek of all the amenities here. It's pretty darn amazing. Alright, so there's a basketball court in here. And here's some racquetball on this side. Wow, that was pretty incredible. And they got this whole retaining wall in the back here that goes up, connects to another building. But yeah. That's one Manhattan Square right here. It gets really loud and windy whenever a train goes by, so it's hard to hear. But yeah, the location of this place is actually insane. Who would have thought about it? Alright, about 4-minute walk, closest train station is East Broadway on the F. Still sticks out like a sore thumb.